Difference between Incoloy Alloy 800/800H 800HT. Incoloy Alloy 800/800H 800HT are known for their excellent resistance to corrosion in a variety of environments including reducing, oxidizing, nitrodizing, and alternating redox mediums. These alloys also offer exceptional metallurgical stability at high temperatures, making them a popular choice for high-temperature applications. However, it is important to note that the Al plus T content in each of these alloys is different, which affects their performance in different environments. For example, Incoloy 800 is suitable for use in temperatures ranging from -0 to 600, while Incoloy 800H offers excellent tensile strength above 600 degrees Celsius and remains resilient at temperatures below 700 degrees Celsius due to its low Al plus T content. On the other hand, Incoloy 800HT has exceptional yield strength above 700 degrees Celsius. When selecting the appropriate Incoloy alloy for your project, it is essential to consider the specific environment in which the material will be often used. While Incoloy 800HT is generally a suitable choice as a replacement for Incoloy 800/800H, it is worthwhile to take the factors of each environment into consideration. Here at PMI Industry Company Limited, our experienced sales team is always ready to assist you in selecting the right material for your project. For more information about Incoloy alloy, please contact us anytime. Thanks. Please visit us for more www.pmisteel.com.